Attention to detail and craftsmanship are the hallmarks of every piece of upholstered Brunschwig Fils furniture. Starting from the very first step, we use only the finest materials. The process begins with raw kiln-dried ash and maple. In the factory, a surfacer and planer removes the top and bottom layers of the plank and adjusts each board to the required thickness. Next, the frame maker uses a bandsaw to further prepare and shape the lumber for a single part. Once the piece achieves its shape, holes are bored in preparation for dowels, which will secure the rails and frame parts. After all of the parts have been individually cut, shaped, and bored, they are ready to be assembled into a frame. On assembly, the parts are further stabilized by glue, screw, and corner blocks. Each frame is assembled by hand, one at a time, per order by a craftsman frame builder. Upon completion of the frame, the wood stain or custom finish is applied by hand. After multiple finishing processes consisting of several coats each, the frame is finished. For best support and to ensure a lifetime of comfortable seating, we use only the time-honored method of 8-way hand-tied coil springs. They are placed in the frame one at a time, and knots are carefully tied to each coil for the most support in all areas. This is a labor-intensive process that cannot be replicated by machine. As the frame is being assembled, finished, and sprung, the cutting process is beginning in another part of the factory. All fabric is carefully received, inspected, and stored upon arrival at the factory. There are precise measurements and patterns for every individual piece of Brunschwig Fils furniture. The fabric is carefully laid out to ensure each component is perfectly and beautifully matched. Every piece of Brunschwig furniture is cut only by a master cutter. The sewer hand turns every edge and finishes the edges with tape to secure the seam. Even the foam components for upholstery, seats, and backs are hand cut for each individual order. Cushions are constructed using a high-density foam core with a fiber wrap and inserted into a compartmentalized downproof bag with which the channels have been filled with goose down feathers to ensure the highest level of comfort. Next, the cut and sewn fabric is applied by the upholsterer. Edges are carefully clipped to and secured in place. Some areas require hand stitching. The almost finished piece is then returned to the master cutter, where the skirt is precisely measured and cut at that time to ensure proper fit and pattern flow. Upon completion, each piece is carefully inspected and returned for adjustments if needed before it is considered ready to ship. Brunschwig Fils invests time and craftsmanship into each and every piece, and we take pride in producing beautiful pieces that will last a lifetime.